Hi, I'm Donna and this is a video to show you how to apply the belt button. Now ideally you would be applying this at least 20 minutes until you need it to stick. That's just for the best result. This gives the adhesive enough time to actually stick to the fabric. So when you purchase your belt button, you'll receive it in this little package here. Inside there will be instructions, which I'm going to play out for you now. So this is the belt button, and what you will find is there are two sides to the button. You'll have two different colours on each side. This is very important. This identifies which end to put on the belt. Okay, so I'm going to start with the yellow side. So what I do is I peel off the yellow sticker. That is not needed. That is just so you know which side to stick on the belt. We can get rid of that. Then we've got this brown sticker, so that's the adhesive backing. We take that off. As you can see, this belt is not plain nice. I would like it to stick down. So what we do is we take the belt button together and we place it on the end of the belt. So both sides are on there at this point in time. Then what we do is we take off the other side stickers. So I'll take the red one off first. Then I've got the adhesive backing sticker and I pull that off. And you can actually see the adhesive shining on that. From here, really important note. As we're aware, when we do sit down, our bodies can expand. So what we don't want to happen is you stick it tight, you go out, you sit down and it pops off. So right now, I will sit down, I will place it where I want it, and I'll stick it on. It is stuck at this point in time. What I'll do now is pull it off to show you how it sits. So there we have it. Our belt button. No longer do we have this end hanging off. We simply click it on and we are ready to go. Belt button, cleaning up your look.